Now, if I was a potato, I would be quite offended if you called me a side dish, because quite often the potato is the star of the meal, and I'm going to show you how to roast them, do a creamy bake, a beautiful fancy Hasselback potato. Even a potato salad can be absolutely fantastic. With great Aussie grown potatoes, you are in the right place. The first thing you need to do is choose the right potato for the right dish. So I'm going to use this beautiful Creme Gold to make a creamy baked potato. Now, the reason the Creme Gold is the perfect potato for this dish is because it's starchy, so it actually thickens up that cream as it cooks down. It also absorbs flavor really well. Peel and slice your potato into slices about this thick. We start with thickened cream and some milk, garlic, and some fresh thyme. Season with salt and pepper. Now, the great thing about this potato dish is it takes a while to make, so you can make it well in advance. Get yourself a nice big heavy baking dish just like this one, a quick layer of potatoes on the bottom. No one's going to be seeing these bottom layers, so you can make them as fancy as you want, or you can just throw it down. Get yourself a handful of tasty cheese, so you can either use a vintage cheddar or Gruyere. Pour over a thin layer of that cream mixture. In between layers, kind of push down on those potatoes like that. Now, the reason, of course, that you layer these potatoes with the cheese and the cream is so that it cooks nice and evenly, and when you cut through it later on, that cheese will be beautifully dispersed all the way through. As you get towards the top, you can start making these just a little prettier, knowing that these first couple of layers are the ones that people are gonna see. 180 degrees for about an hour. Don't cover it, just straight in the oven. The potatoes are done. They've been in for just on an hour. Look at that gorgeousness. What would you serve this with? Anything. You could serve it with a piece of grilled fish. You could serve it with some roast beef. That's the great thing about potatoes. They make everything more delicious. The best part is this is just one incredible potato dish. I've got lots to show you. My next potato of choice is the brush potato. Now, this is kind of a baked potato, the Hasselback, but it's much, much more beautiful, and it's way more tasty than just a simple baked potato. Here's what you do. I want it to have a nice flat edge. So pick the prettiest side and then just trim off just a little bit. Cut through the potato, but not all the way through. So here's the trick. You get yourself a couple of wooden spoons, put one on either side, and then you can just cut straight on through, about 1 centimeter apart from each other. The last little slice, don't go all the way to the bottom. Just cut into it just a little. You can see how it's going to open up as it cooks. Into the melted butter, we put some crushed garlic and a little bit of fresh thyme. Brush straight over the top. A little bit of salt and pepper. Into the oven, 220 degrees for about 40 minutes. I removed the foil. After the 40 minutes, I put them back in for another 20, but before I did, I sprinkled just a little more of that butter and then some of this gorgeous Gruyere cheese. Just a little bit of fresh thyme just before I serve it, and you have got an absolute showstopper. Not a side dish, a star. I want to feature the baby white potato because it's one of my favorites. I call it the all-rounder, get it? All-rounder. And this potato is sweet. It's very good for a potato salad. It's great for roast potatoes. I'm going to show you like a Spanish style potato. First, we par cook them. So I've just been boiling them away. I cut them in half first. Boil them for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. You can see how it's softened on the outside, but in the middle, it's still quite firm. And straight onto a roasting pan. We spread them out nicely, drizzle them with some oil, salt and pepper. We roast them for 20 minutes, get them crisp, and then I'll throw in the chili. What I came up with was a spicy aioli that we could serve these potatoes on. But I didn't want to use egg yolk, I wanted to keep it plant-based. So I'm using the water from the chickpeas. Some garlic, sherry vinegar, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, a little sugar, a little salt. We let it blend. And on a low speed, we emulsify in some sunflower oil. And that is it. You won't believe how thick it becomes. Let's check on our potatoes. Big tip from me, put the dressing down on the bottom of the bowl, and then that way your potatoes won't get soggy from coming into too much contact with that aioli. I have some parsley, red onion or shallots, wild rocket, and some chives. Well, there you go. A simple ingredient like potato turned into 3-star dishes. Now, to get the full recipe and tips, see below, or for more inspiration, keep watching.